This is Dolly. And Dolly is separated from Rijntje. Hey Bella. This is Blomke. But every afternoon and evening I separate them. And every evening I put them together again. But when I have them outside during the day, together with the others in the arena, Rijntje is a bit done with Dolly. So maybe this is the moment that I keep them apart. They really can live without each other. Yeah, you. But I think every time she has to go back to Rijntje. But Rijntje is done with it. And maybe today, tomorrow, well, in a couple of days, she's going to her new, well, home. Later more. Yes, Dolly? Are you winking? Do you still know I couldn't touch her? Now I can. Yes, you. Hey, goed zo. Hey Bella. Inside again? Kom. Goed zo. Braaf, hè? Rocky? What are you doing? Oh, I help. Rocky. Wait a moment. Good morning. Sorry, horses, you have to wait. I first have to get Rocky. En Blomke en Bella. En Rocky. I come to you. Okay, het lukt net. When I get him, he don't want to go. Hey, hello. Okay, it's high. Yes. Hey. Sally, Rijntje, and Dolly. Sorry, you can stay inside. So, he kicked over here. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Raji. Hey, Dolly. Hey. Hello. And there's Rijntje. And I don't want them together anymore. So she don't drink anymore. Glendy and Peach. Glendy. Oh, you. Daisy. Sorry, Randje. Hey. Sorry. Oh, be careful. Hello. Yes. Do you like it? Yes. Don't bite me, please. I don't trust her. Please. Well, Dolly, and actually today, but he didn't. I think, hello, don't do that. I think tomorrow someone comes to take Dolly with him. Because I sold Dolly. And I don't like it, because I like all the horses, but I have to. Because there are too many horses over here, and I have to choose. And I already have 2 mares of 2 fillies of Rijntje. There's the Rijntje. That's why I choose this one. So, I don't like it, but, well, tomorrow you will see where she goes. I can tell you tomorrow. So, I will miss her. Yes, you. Hey. Dolly. Well, it's better. Good morning. As you all know, I separated Dolly and Rijntje. So Dolly has to stay in this stall. Yfke can't be with Bella. So Bella has to go with Blomke together. And as you all know, Yfke is boss of the 3B. But something changed. Yfke is now with Boukje for a couple of days. And in the beginning, Yfke was boss, of course. But now, Boukje is. That's what I mean. Oh, Boukje says to Yfke, go away. You're not boss anymore. Boukje is. You. And you are full sisters. Hey. Okay. And you're the little sister. So I give Yfke something to eat on that side. But when Yfke is together with Bella, it's not going good. Yfke chases after Bella. And yesterday I had Bella with Boukje. And that's also not good for Bella. So, Boukje is a kind of, you know, I can't say the word. Hey, you're such a sweetie. Aw. Yfke. I never thought this was going to happen. Because Yfke is always boss. Yeah, you. Boukje. Aw. Yfke wants to do sweet. So Boukje is boss. After that, Yfke. Then Bella. And the lowest is Blomke. First Dolly was here. And now Rijntje and Sally. So this way they can still see each other. But hopefully she's not drinking anymore. No. This side isn't working. And that side, well, it's okay. Here's Sally. And I'm going to clean the stall.